Hello world, I am Rishabh Baghel from India and this is my CS50 final project for Harvard University. Introduction to the Intellectual Enterprises of Computer Science and the Art of Programming. A simple day planner web app. Here is my demonstration of how day planner works. Let's run the command. Open in a new tab and here you can see simple UI, anyone can use it. Let's move on to the features. These are the features like user can create, read, update and delete tasks. Let's see how it is. A user can write their email for the alerts. It is optional. If user is submitting the button without writing the title, here you can see, please fill in this field. Here you can see this is our to-dos. And let's say if I write something wrong and you can here update the task. And let's say I have read Wealth of Nation. So I will update the task. Here I will tick to completed and click on update. You can delete the task. Here you can see a user can enjoy dark mode and light mode. Just clicking this sun and it converts into light mode. But I love dark mode so I will switch it. Third features, a user can get an email notification of like what are their tasks and what are their to-dos. This is the fourth feature. A user can add tasks to their calendar app, let's say Google Calendar or something. This will be updated in future. Let's move to the final feature of the app, which is decision technique. Let's say if something is important and urgent, you will do it now. And let's say if something is not important but urgent, you will delegate the task. And let's say if something is important but not urgent, you will decide. Okay, hope you understand that. If you not, you will move to the how to page where you can see like how can you use in simple pictures. Here you can see, and this is the graph. Like if something is important and urgent, you will do it. If something is important but not urgent, you will decide and explore this page. And let's move on to how this app is built, like what technologies I used to build this app. Like these are the technologies I used to build Day Planner app: HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Flask, SQL Alchemy, Python and Jinja. And here you can see this is the online experience of CS50. Hope you like the project, and let's say if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on social media. These are my links you can connect with. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the project. Bye. Take care.